Hey, how's it going? Showing how to install a spacer broken down lightning pan. This thing actually broke on me. It was already so surprisingly it was already broken, but it was still hidden. So I never really knew it was broken, but it broke on me. So, but we're gonna fix it right now. Though. Luckily, we have replacements. So. Put that in there. This little thing. I already I actually was cleaning it earlier this morning, and now I'm assembling it. So like, you put the pin with a little with that. Oh, but I'm not. I'm still not a professional yet, so bear with me. Yeah, man, just turn it. See how it is? Flat. Ready to go. After that, you put in your thing here. Bam. Put the screws in here.